I've been exploring the free Spirit Travel More World Elite Mastercard credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The free Spirit Travel More World Elite Mastercard is a co-branded Spirit Airlines card from Bank of America that focuses heavily on earning points and flight perks for frequent Spirit flyers. You earn 3 points per dollar on eligible Spirit purchases, 2 points on dining and grocery store spending, and 1 point on everything else, with no cap and no expiration as long as your account stays open. The current online offer in 2026 is 50,000 bonus points plus a $100 companion flight voucher after $1,000 in purchases within 90 days, which is a fairly low spend requirement compared with many travel cards. On top of that, you get 2 free checked bags as the primary cardholder, priority check-in, group 2 boarding, and a 25% rebate on in-flight food and drinks paid with the card, all of which can meaningfully cut trip costs if you regularly fly Spirit. With that said, it's not perfect. There is a $79 annual fee and no introductory 0% APR, and the variable APR range runs roughly from the high teens to the upper 20s, so this is not a good fit if you tend to carry a balance. You also only get the $100 companion flight voucher at anniversary when you put at least $5,000 on the card in the prior year, which means lighter spenders may never see that extra value. Because the rewards are tied so tightly to Spirit, the card makes the most sense for people who are loyal to that airline and can consistently use the bags, priority perks, and vouchers. If you want flexible travel rewards or fly multiple airlines, a more general travel card may serve you better in 2026. Overall, this card is compelling for committed Spirit flyers who check bags and want to maximize Spirit-specific perks, but it is much less attractive if you rarely fly the airline, do not like annual fees, or ever carry a balance at today's higher interest rates. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.